The 1973 Triumph Stag is a British Grand Tourer that combines classic styling, open-top driving, and a unique V8 engine. Designed by the legendary Giovanni Michelotti, the Stag features an elegant body with chrome accents, a distinctive T-bar roof for structural rigidity, and a luxurious interior built to compete with high-end European sports cars. It delivers a blend of performance, comfort, and exclusivity that still attracts collectors and enthusiasts today. Under the hood, the 1973 Triumph Stag is powered by a 3.0 LV8 engine, producing around 145 horsepower. This engine, developed by Triumph, was designed to offer smooth performance and a refined driving experience. Paired with either a 4-speed manual transmission with overdrive or a 3-speed automatic, the Stag provides relaxed cruising capability and decent acceleration for its time. While the original engine had a reputation for reliability issues, well-maintained models with proper cooling upgrades perform well and offer a satisfying driving experience. The suspension system features an independent setup with McPherson struts in the front and semi-trailing arms in the rear, giving the car a balanced ride with good comfort and handling. Power-assisted steering makes maneuvering easier, and front disc brakes improve stopping power compared to many other classic cars of the era. These features make the Stag an enjoyable vehicle for long-distance touring, which was its primary design goal. On the exterior, the 1973 Triumph Stag retains its sleek proportions and elegant lines, making it a standout in any classic car collection. Chrome bumpers, wire-spoke wheels, and the signature T-bar roll hoop give the car a unique and instantly recognizable presence. Some owners choose to modify their Stags with modern lighting, upgraded wheels, or subtle performance enhancements while preserving the car's classic character. Inside, the cabin is well appointed with high-quality materials, wood veneer dashboard trim, and comfortable leather seats. The Stag was one of the few classic convertibles that offered seating for 4, making it more practical than many two-seater roadsters of its time. It came equipped with power windows, a quality sound system, and an advanced heating and ventilation system, which were considered luxury features in the 1970s. The 1973 Triumph Stag remains a beloved classic among British car enthusiasts, thanks to its combination of style, comfort, and performance. While it requires careful maintenance to keep it running smoothly, the reward is a unique and enjoyable classic car that stands out on the road. Whether driven for weekend cruising or displayed at car shows, the Stag continues to hold its charm as a stylish and sophisticated Grand Tourer. For more classic car reviews, restoration stories, and automotive news, make sure to subscribe to the channel and stay updated on the latest content.